When I took online class from STAD Solution, I never felt like it's an online training. It's just like offline classes. Hello everyone, myself Munan Mehman. I have completed my graduation BCA in 2020. I am working in banking sector, but I always wanted to make my career in IT field. So I searched many online institutes for best IT course. After many research, I got to know about STAD Solution for software testing. I didn't have much knowledge about software testing. So when I visited STAD Solution, I got small to small details regarding software testing course. After that, I enrolled for software testing course. Here I learned about FRD, BRD, bug lifecycle, bug report. Also worked in live project like eBay, Telegram, school launching them, and LCC. I learned about how to update a resume and how to create interview question and all these things. When I took online class from STAD Solution, I never felt like it's an online training. It's just like offline classes. Special thanks to Hardy ma'am who gave me guidance about the course. Richard ma'am, Bhagyasri ma'am and management team for helping to make my career in software testing course.